Welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at 5 Bible verses every Christian should know, explained in simple words, with minimalist Stickman visuals to help you remember them. Let's dive in. Verse 1, Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. This verse reminds us that we are never alone. God gives strength beyond our own abilities. Whenever you feel weak or overwhelmed, remember where your true power comes from. Verse 2, Psalm 23:1. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Just like a shepherd cares for his sheep, God provides and guides. This verse teaches trust, that God will take care of your needs. Verse 3, Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. When life feels uncertain, remember God is not confused about your future. His plans are purposeful, hopeful, and good. Verse 4, Romans 8:28. And we know that all things work together for good to those who love God. Even when situations look bad or confusing, God is weaving everything together for a greater good. Nothing is wasted. Verse 5, John 3:16. For God so loved the world that he gave his only Son. This is the foundation of the Christian faith, God's ultimate act of love. Salvation, grace, and hope all begin here. These 5 Bible verses offer strength, comfort, guidance, purpose, and salvation. Which verse speaks to you the most? Comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more uplifting content.